Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix annoying green lines on iPhone screen in iOS 17. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, clean your screen from the dust and water particles, and after that open settings, scroll down and click on general. Then scroll down to the end and click on transfer or reset iPhone, and here click on reset. Then click on reset all settings and then enter your lock screen passcode, and after that enter your screen time passcode and then click on reset all settings. So it will reset your all settings in iPhone, but it will not delete any data from your iPhone. So after resetting, restart your iPhone. So to restart, press and hold your power button and volume down button at the same time. Now swipe this icon to right side to restart your iPhone, and after restarting, your green line on the screen will be fixed. So if it does not fix your problem, then run your iPhone in recovery mode. So to run your iPhone in recovery mode, press and hold your power button and volume up and down both buttons at the same time. So after that, your iPhone will automatically fix this green line problem on your screen. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.